Okay, class, I'm back for another video. I know you're enjoying it. Hopefully everyone has a big bowl of popcorn and are ready to look at this video, this awesome video. I'm sure it will go viral. Um, right now we're going to talk about discussion posts. And so where you need to be is in this link here called forums. So if you see right here, it's forums. We're going to click on it. And as you can see, there are some discussion posts. And so notice some people have already introduced themselves. I won't go there right now, but please introduce yourself this week so we can get to know you better. So what's going to happen? You're going to come here in this week one and you need to make a discussion post. And basically what you'll be doing this week is posting your worked mathematics problems. So I've got a list of problems that you can choose from. You need to choose two. You're going to work them out. You're going to post your work for everyone else to see. And that's one way to get practice doing mathematics. And then your third post will be looking at someone else's mathematics and basically critiquing their work, telling them if they've done well, if they've done poorly, and why. Again, it's a discussion about the math problem. It's not a discussion about the person. One of the key skills in mathematics is being able to critique someone else's work and being able to describe what has gone well and what has gone poorly. And by the way, this is a skill that if you have it, you'll do well in business and any other employment that you have, because being able to talk to people and critique their work clearly and fairly is a great skill to have. So that will be your third post. So I don't know, let's just look in here real quick. And notice we've already got one post. I can do this. You see up here, I can click start a new conversation and I can title it, and then I can put my material in here, my problem in here. If you want, you can do the work by hand and scan it and then attach it to the document. So I might put in here Windsor post 1, week 1. And that way you know what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to put the work in. Maybe I'll type it in. Maybe it's one where I can just describe what's going on, and so I can just type it in. Or maybe there's a lot of calculations, and so I'm going to attach my work. And then all you need to do is scan it, make it into a PDF, and attach it. And I know there's an app for your phone that you can basically take a picture and turn that picture into a PDF. So this is what you're going to do. You can also reply to other people's posts. Anyway, and so this is the discussion forum, and I really believe in this exercise, because not only posting math but talking to others about their mathematics is a great way to learn mathematics, and it helps you feel like you're in a classroom. And since we're asynchronous, this is the way we'll do it. So that's how that's going to work. And I'm going to encourage you this week to introduce yourself and then do this week 1 discussion where you post your 2 problems, and then your third post will be a response to someone else. Okay, as always, if you have questions and need clarification, you can send me a message in the Remind app, or you can email me. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing your work and to meeting you when you introduce yourself. Okay, we'll talk later. Bye.